The launch of Pi Network's mainnet on February 20, 2025, was met with immense excitement. This was a day that many had been eagerly anticipating for years. The Pi Network, which had started as a simple mobile mining app, had grown into a full-fledged cryptocurrency with a dedicated community. The anticipation had been building up for months, with users speculating about the potential value of their mined Pi coins. As the launch date approached, social media was abuzz with discussions and predictions. The excitement was palpable, and everyone was eager to see what the future held for Pi coin. Millions of users, eager to finally trade their mined Pi coin, flocked to exchanges. The trading platforms were overwhelmed with activity as users rushed to buy, sell, and trade their coins. The sheer volume of transactions was unprecedented, and many exchanges reported record-breaking numbers. For many, this was their first experience with cryptocurrency trading, and the learning curve was steep. However, the excitement and potential for profit kept them engaged. The community was buzzing with tips, strategies, and success stories. It was a thrilling time to be a part of the Pi Network. This surge in demand propelled the price to an all-time high of $2.10. The atmosphere was electric. Investors and traders watched in awe as the value of Pi coin skyrocketed. Many early adopters saw their investments multiply in value, leading to celebrations and a sense of validation for their early belief in the project. The rapid price increase also attracted the attention of mainstream media, bringing even more attention to the Pi Network. Analysts and experts weighed in, offering their opinions on the future potential of Pi coin. The buzz was undeniable, and the excitement was contagious. People believed Pi coin was the future of cryptocurrency. The unique approach of mobile mining and the strong community support set Pi coin apart from other cryptocurrencies. Enthusiasts and investors alike were optimistic about the long-term potential of the project. Discussions about the future applications of Pi coin were rampant, with ideas ranging from decentralized finance to global remittances. The vision of a more inclusive and accessible financial system resonated with many, and the Pi Network's mission to democratize access to cryptocurrency was widely praised. The sense of community and shared purpose was a driving force behind the project's success. Early adopters celebrated their newfound wealth. For many, the launch of the mainnet was a life-changing event. Stories of financial freedom and newfound opportunities were shared across social media. The sense of accomplishment and pride was evident as early adopters reflected on their journey with the Pi Network. The celebrations were not just about the financial gains, but also about being part of a pioneering project that had the potential to reshape the future of finance. The camaraderie and shared experiences created a strong bond within the community, further fueling the enthusiasm for the project. The future seemed bright for this ambitious project. With a strong foundation and a dedicated community, the Pi Network was poised for continued growth and success. The team behind the project had ambitious plans for the future, including expanding the use cases for Pi coin and integrating it into various industries. The vision of a decentralized and inclusive financial system was becoming a reality, and the possibilities seemed endless. As the Pi Network continued to evolve, the community remained optimistic and committed to the project's long-term success. The journey was just beginning, and the future looked promising for Pi coin and its supporters. However, the euphoria was short-lived. The initial excitement surrounding Pi coin was palpable. Investors were thrilled at the prospect of a new digital currency that promised to revolutionize the market. Social media was abuzz with discussions, and forums were filled with predictions of Pi coin reaching unprecedented heights. But as with many things that rise too quickly, the fall was inevitable. Just days after launch, Pi coin experienced a dramatic price correction. The initial surge in value had created a bubble, and it didn't take long for that bubble to burst. Investors who had bought in at the peak found themselves in a precarious position as the value of their holdings began to plummet. The price plummeted to a low of 64 cents, leaving many investors reeling. The sudden drop was a stark reminder of the volatility inherent in the cryptocurrency market. For some, it was a devastating blow, wiping out significant portions of their investments. For others, it was a harsh lesson in the risks of speculative trading. Several factors contributed to this sharp decline. Market analysts pointed to a combination of overvaluation, speculative trading, and external economic pressures. The broader cryptocurrency market was also experiencing turbulence, which only exacerbated Pi coin's woes. profit-taking by early miners flooded the market with sell orders. These early adopters, having mined Picoin at virtually no cost, were eager to cash in on their holdings. As they began to sell off their coins en masse, the market was inundated with supply, driving prices down further. Technical difficulties on some exchanges caused panic and further selling pressure. Several major exchanges reported outages and delays, preventing traders from executing their orders. This led to widespread frustration and panic, as investors feared they would be unable to sell their holdings before prices dropped even further. Doubts began to surface about the project's long-term viability. Critics questioned the underlying technology and the team's ability to deliver on their promises. Rumors and negative press further eroded confidence, leading many to wonder if Picoin was just another flash in the pan. The dream seemed to be slipping away. What had once been seen as a groundbreaking innovation was now viewed with skepticism and doubt. For many, the Picoin crash was a sobering reminder of the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. As the dust settled, investors were left to pick up the pieces and reflect on the lessons learned from this tumultuous episode. Yet, amidst the turmoil, Picoin showed resilience. Despite the market's volatility, Picoin managed to hold its ground, demonstrating a level of stability that was unexpected by many. This resilience was a testament to the strength of the community and the underlying technology that supported Picoin. After the initial crash, the price stabilized, finding a new normal amidst the chaos. This stabilization was crucial as it provided a sense of security to investors who were previously on edge. The market's ability to find a new equilibrium was a positive sign for the future of Picoin, hovering between 80 cents and $1.20. This range, while narrow, indicated that the market was beginning to understand the true value of Picoin. Investors started to see this range as a stable zone, a place where they could confidently hold their investments without fear of sudden drops. This period of consolidation, while nerve-wracking for some, was a positive sign. It showed that the market was maturing, and that investors were becoming more rational. The wild swings of the past were giving way to a more measured approach, one that valued long-term potential over short-term gains. It indicated that the market was finding its equilibrium. The panic selling subsided. Long-term holders remained optimistic. These investors, who believed in the project's vision and potential, were not swayed by short-term market movements. Their confidence helped stabilize the market further. The project's fundamentals remained strong. The technology behind Picoin continued to develop, with new features and improvements being rolled out regularly. This ongoing development reassured investors that Picoin was not just a fleeting trend, but a project with real substance and potential. The community continued to grow. More and more people were drawn to Picoin, attracted by its promise and the strength of its community. This growing user base was a clear indicator that Picoin was gaining traction, and that its future looked bright. Picoin was down, but not out. The recovery process was slow but steady, and each small gain was a step towards a brighter future. The resilience shown during this period of consolidation laid a strong foundation for the future growth and success of Picoin. Technical analysts observed an intriguing pattern forming on Picoin's price chart, a symmetrical triangle. This pattern, characterized by converging trend lines, suggests a period of consolidation before a significant breakout. The question on everyone's mind: will Picoin break out to the upside or downside? Traders eagerly watched the charts, waiting for a signal. Excitement and apprehension hung in the air. The future remained uncertain. Analysts offered differing opinions on Picoin's future price. Some, citing the project's strong community and innovative technology, predicted a bullish breakout. They projected price targets of $5, $10, or even higher in the coming months. Others, more cautious, pointed to the recent volatility and potential regulatory hurdles as reasons for concern. They suggested a more conservative outlook, with price targets ranging from $2 to $3. It's crucial to remember that these projections are purely speculative. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. Factors like regulatory changes, technological advancements, and overall market sentiment can significantly impact Picoin's price. Blindly following price predictions without conducting thorough research is a recipe for disaster. Prudence and caution are paramount in this space. Investors must approach Picoin like any other cryptocurrency with a healthy dose of skepticism. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Conduct thorough research. Understand the project's fundamentals, its technology, its team, and its competition. Read the white paper. Engage with the community. Consider the risks and potential rewards. Only invest what you can afford to lose. One of Pi Network's greatest strengths is its vibrant and engaged community. Millions of users worldwide believe in the project's vision of creating a more accessible and inclusive digital currency. This passionate community is actively involved in promoting Picoin, developing applications, and spreading awareness. This grassroots support could be instrumental in driving Picoin's future success. The journey of Picoin is just beginning. It has already experienced significant volatility and overcome initial challenges. Its future remains uncertain, but the project's strong community, innovative technology, and ambitious vision cannot be ignored. Whether Picoin reaches the moon or faces further hurdles, one thing is certain: it will be a fascinating journey to watch. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride.